So this is the bench where all the magic happens. There's the case. I've been with my blood, sweat, and tears on it, trying to get it clean. Working on it. Right there to the lower right is a JB Weld patch job to give me a good sealing surface for the oil sump cover. That's my hand stuck in the end of the case. That's me judging it. There's the new head and the old head. There's the crack around the valve guide. So that kind of sealed the deal on that. No rebuild there. But, on the brighter side of things, here's one of the brand new heads. Flip it over for comparison. Now the new head came with a pre-installed valve job, if you will. There's the old head. You can see the difference there. I think most of it's pretty obvious. I mean, other than the wear and tear, the grind on the inside is much cleaner and smoother on the new one. And that's dual springs. Been reading and hearing a lot of things about those, and I might do away with one spring. I don't know if that's possible, if I have to get new springs altogether, or if I can just eliminate one. There's the piston size. I don't know if you can read that, but they're 88 slip-ins. And here comes one of the new jugs out of the box, just to give a little prequel of about what's about to go on with this thing. Just for my own satisfaction, I'm gonna set it here on the bench for a second. Take a look down inside there so you can see the stamp on there. It says 8795 88s, if you will. I'm going to spin this around, try it in there. Fits in there. I don't know the tolerance on these things, but man, that seems mighty sloppy. I don't know. I guess that's just Volkswagen for you. But, we're going to flip this over. And so these heads are for 85 millimeter, and the slip-ins are, they're made for that, so that's why they're slip-ins. And slips right in there.